Hey, good afternoon. This is John from Two Does Bees and Gardens. I've been busy today, but it's time we're going to move those bees out of the swarm trap, and we'll see if we can bring you along with us. So we don't know what we're going to find in the swarm trap, so I've got some frames set aside. I've got an empty frame for some comb with rubber bands so we can band it in, and a couple of empty frames that have been pre-waxed. I'm taking this swarm trap apart. Obviously that bee tried to sting me, so they're not happy. I can't blame them. One of the reasons why I put in as few screws on these swarm traps as I have to, because every one that I put in is one I have to take out once the bees are in here too. This is going to be where we get our first good look at what the swarm looks like that has moved into this swarm trap. I'm pretty sure it's just a small swarm. And as expected, they often build right off the edge of the template. So I'm going to have to cut that and put it into the empty frame that I have prepared. Trying to be very gentle. They have kept brood in here already. We know there's a queen in here. see the queen. I can't bring you over to show you, but she is in here. I see her. So you might notice I'm putting these pieces of comb in from the bees. They've all got kept brood, and I'm assuming we'll probably find some eggs and larvae. And just lining it up like that, I'm going to actually put this right into the box as it is, since I'm not going to keep that little piece there. Very gently put this in here. And now the bees should start to find that spot. I need to move the queen out of here, if I can still find her in here. So we're going to take this out. We're actually just going to set this aside. New bees are on the bottom of that, so I'm just going to set that right there and take this end off down here, and that'll let me slip the frames right out of this template, and I can put them right into the nuke box. Here's the queen. I don't know if you can see her on camera, but she's right here. I'm just going to take this piece of comb off. I'm going to put her in there. Take this one off. Put this right into the nuke box. And pretty much the bees should find their way into the nuke box now that the queen is there, and all of their hive beetle. I'm dispatching that. That's all the bees off the template. Really, that's pretty much moving them into the swarm cup into their nuke box. I needed to make this happen today, now, because we have storms coming in. And now I'm going to go put this nuke box over in the place where their swarm trap was located. Put the lid on it. There's a cluster of bees over here already. They know where they were supposed to go. just going to leave them just like that. I'm going to take this rock here and put this on top of the nuke here, because we have storms coming in. And as I expected, that was a very small swarm. But we gave them a home, and we will let them continue to grow out. I'll check on them here in a day or two after this rainstorm passes. If they need food, I'll give them some food, and they're off on their way. And so it is with beekeeping. And this has been John at 2 Doves Bees and Gardens, and we'll catch you next time. Out here checking on the small swarm that we moved from the swarm trap to this nuke box yesterday. You see bees are coming and going, and that's a good sign.